Hello and welcome to Rockford Career College. My name is Todd Warda. I am the program director for the electrical technician program. I wanted to take you on a virtual tour of our wonderful school and our laboratory. So on this tour, you're going to get a little bit of a summary of what our curriculum and our program consist of, and we're going to get some exciting information. So I wanted to let you know that my background is that I have 25 years of electrical experience. I was trained in the electrical trade over that many years. I've operated my own electrical business for over 15 years, and I've been very successful. I want to share the wealth and knowledge that I have as a tradesman to get people to understand what we do in the trade. So at this point, come on in and let's take a tour of our lab. So first and foremost, in the lab, these are some of our entry-level projects that we actually work on with our entry-level students that are taking the ETC 100 and ETC, or Electrical Training Course 100 and 101. So we work with many different types of wire types, switches, light fixtures, conduits, and many different methods. We also are very, very involved in safety and personal protection, and so we really take that quite seriously. So this is an entry-level project. And then what we do is we actually graduate into the next level of our curriculum. And here we have our motor controls, relays, PLC controls, and this is more of an industrial or electrical wiring you may find in a manufacturing environment. In our program, you're actually going to have an opportunity to get a global view of the electrical technician program, whereas you're going to have the skill set to go out and get a job in the marketplace. We also will do conduit bending. You can see here we have electrical conduit. We do quite a bit of extensive conduit bending, and we have different machinery that we use for that process. So we use different types of benders. This is a rigid pipe bender. This particular pipe bender here, which is a Greenlee electric bender, is another style of bender that we'll use with the various pipe sizes to provide industrial wiring for applications just as our school. Okay. So we'll take a jump over to our house. This is our actual indoor house where we use this in our laboratory to learn about commercial applications. We also will use this portion of the house for residential wiring. In the house, we do many things such as outlets, switches, can lights, and many different things. In our 10-month program at Rockford Career College, you're going to have the skills to really become proficient in an industry where the state of Illinois has a very high rate of employability and income.